Welcome to the study orientation video for the Master Supply Chain Management. My name is Sanja van Bokstel and I teach the course Change Management and I supervise master students with their thesis. I'm here today with Noah.
Hi, my name is Noah. Having completed the bachelor program Logistics Management, I now follow the Master Supply Chain Management.
Before we dive into the details of the program, let me first tell you a bit more about Breda University of Applied Sciences. BUAS is a medium-sized higher education institute in Breda. We have over 7,000 students coming from 80 countries. On our campus we offer professional and academic bachelor's and master's programs in 9 different domains. Today we are going to be focusing on the logistics domain, because that's where you will find supply chain management. This Master in Logistics and Supply Chain Management has been developed in close collaboration with partners in the logistics industry. They know exactly which analytical skills are needed in the field of data science and business intelligence. This, combined with the right research skills, social skills and knowledge about cooperation and change, makes you the supply chain leader of the future. The program will take 1 academic year. Students with a relevant scientific bachelor's degree can enter the master directly. In this master's program you will work with students and lecturers from different intellectual, professional and cultural backgrounds. By developing skills such as business intelligence, research, leadership, change and innovation, we will teach you how to translate supply chain concepts into useful solutions, which you can implement in practice. Noah, why did you choose to follow this master's at BUAS?
My choice for BUAS was mostly dependent on personal factors and quality of courses. I was already familiar with BUAS because I did the bachelor study of logistics management here. And what I really liked about the time is that lecturers know you personally and you are definitely not a number. I value the personal touch and I do not think that you find this at any other university which offers a Master of Supply Chain Management. Furthermore, the study program was appealing to me as there is a variety of abstract courses such as business intelligence and social courses like leadership, a great combination.
Let's zoom in on the setup of the program. The master's program is divided into 2 semesters. In the first semester you will follow 5 modules which prepare you for writing your master's thesis in the second semester. These modules are related to the main themes of the master. The second semester starts with the module Integrated Supply Chain Cases. In this course, you learn to integrate and apply the different disciplines from the first semester and quantitative modeling skills in different supply chain cases. As of week 5, you will start with preparatory supply chain research at your graduation placement and deliver a research proposal for your thesis. After approval of your proposal, you will be challenged to design and improve a supply chain on strategic level, to deliver an implementation approach, to influence the implementation process, and to develop a leadership style. Noah, can you tell us a bit more on how you're experiencing the Masters?
We are currently with 30 people in the class, with a good 50-50 mix of both international and Dutch students. For me, it is the first time that I am in an international class and I already have learned much about culture. The lessons learned can already be implemented immediately as there is a diversity of culture in the class. I think that the small class is great. It enables you having personal contact with the lecturers, which is an advantage when you want to receive feedback on your papers. During the introduction weeks, you are appointed to a coach. Your personal coach guides you through the program and can help you whenever you feel like you need help. He or she will also be your thesis supervisor. A bit further into the first semester, the pressure will be built up. Multiple deadlines will be coming your way as you must write several papers for the courses. But no worries, from my personal experience, this is spread equally during the semester. You have plenty of opportunities to ask feedback on your papers, which eventually helps you to make a perfect final version.
I'm often asked where our graduates end up after graduation. There's a wide variety of career possibilities. Markets change rapidly in a dynamic environment and supply chains therefore also need innovations. The future supply chain manager is therefore skilled in a wide range of disciplines. Future supply chain leaders have specialist knowledge of the entire supply chain and insights into the latest developments. They have the right analytical skills in data science, research and business intelligence, as well as the right people skills in leadership, collaboration and change. This is the core of our Master Supply Chain Management. There are different options to enter our master program. You are welcome with a scientific bachelor diploma in logistics or a bachelor's degree with a major or minor in logistics. If you have a bachelor's degree from another program, we will assess whether you have sufficient knowledge in an individual assessment. Now, Noah will provide you with more information on how to apply.
The intake procedure is explained briefly on the BUAS website. But to help you along, I'll explain it as well. At first, you have to enroll yourselves via StudyLink. After that, you will receive an invitation to upload relevant documents. You have to make sure that your application is submitted before the deadline. After all documents are complete, you will be invited for an interview on campus or online, whatever suits you best. I had my intake interview on campus together with the coordinator of the master's program. The intake took approximately 30 minutes, and here I had to introduce myself, tell about my motivation and expectations of the education. Afterwards, I quickly received a response that I was admitted to the program.
Finally, we want to take some time to answer some of the most commonly asked questions we receive about the Master. So here we go. Why choose Master Supply Chain Management at BUAS? The program fits in seamlessly with the Bachelor's in Logistics and has been developed in collaboration with international companies in logistics. The international teaching team consists of experienced professionals in supply chain management. You are in the lead yourself and you are individually coached by one of our staff members. Noah, is the Master very international?
Well, there is a wide variety of Dutch and international students. I would say that this is 50-50, so yes, it is internationally oriented. Sonny, is there a maximum of students admitted to the program?
Yes, there is a maximum of 40 places available. Is it easy to get a job after graduation?
Well, the experience with alumni is that they easily obtained a job after graduation. There's a shortage of employees in the logistics field, so a job is almost guaranteed after graduation. Of course, you're still responsible for succeeding in this yourselves. So, what's the difference between following a master at a University of Applied Sciences instead of a research university?
It is a real Master of Science, just like a research university. An important advantage compared to a research university is that you are studying on a small-scale green campus. All lecturers and fellow students are easy to read. Another advantage is that most lecturers have close contacts with the industry. In case you want to find out more about this program, you can visit our campus on one of our open days. Should you still have questions after all of this, we also have our students available for you in the chat to answer all of your questions. You can check out our website and under the tab Meet Us you will find all the options.
We hope this video has answered many of your questions. However, you might still have a few questions we didn't tackle in this video.
In that case, please don't hesitate to contact us. We are here to help you find the study program that suits you the best. And of course, Noah and I hope that you will choose the Master of Supply Chain Management and that we will see you here next year at our beautiful campus in Breda.
Is it your ambition to organize and innovate supply chains? Make this ambition happen by completing the Master Supply Chain Management. Thank you for watching.